Hi YouTube, it's Laura from TuxedoPlanners and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me for the month of June, my June monthly layout in my Erin Condren Life Planner. And I'm just going to bring you guys along for the ride. So today I'll be using this beautiful hibiscus tropical kit that I got from Temp Loves Crafts, and I will link her shop on down below in the description. But I like this kit. It's very simple. It's got some beautiful colors to it and some cute little icons and date covers. So as you can see, very simple, but exactly what I need. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay my top washi down, and I'm going to go on and turn this over and lay it down like so. Let's try to get this as straight as possible. All right, not bad. I like that. You guys can see that. And let's do the other side. And see. Trying to get it. I think it's supposed to cover this green mark here. Alright, there we go. See how that did. So let's take a look at my sticker handiwork here. Alright, excellent. We got a little something there. I'm going to go on and white that out. So let's white that out some. A little bit there. Maybe I'll put a little flag there and kind of cover that up. She's got several flags here. Let's see, what color can I use? Let's use yellow. Oh, that's not going to really cover it up though, is it? Well, it's better than nothing, I guess. So we're going to put this little yellow flag here to kind of... Nah, that looks dorky. Let's not do that. Alright, I'll have to think about what I'm going to do for this, because I'm not sure that I like the way this is looking right here. I don't like these tape things either. I got these from Walmart. I'm not sure if I told you guys in my last video. I got them from Walmart trying to save some money, and that's what I get. It's not so good washi. So I'll go back and fix that later. Alright, so now I'm going to put down a couple of deco boxes she's got. I'm going to put one on Friday to cover up the 31st. And I'll put one down on Thursday to cover up the 30th. Kind of overlaps a little bit. Not sure why these marks are there if they're supposed to be there. I'm not sure about that. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go on and put my date covers down, and I will speed you guys up through this, okay? So you don't have to watch this boring part. So give me just a minute and I'll get these down real quick. Okay, so there, I'm back. I laid down that. And as you can see, I've already put in some of my holidays here, so I don't need the holiday stickers that she included with her kit. These are from my Happy Planner sticker books that I have. So I put in Father's Day and, of course, Flag Day and when summer begins. And my son-in-law's birthday is on the 5th, and my husband's birthday is on the 16th. So I got those in there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down our payday stickers on the Wednesdays. So I have those. And let's do a green. I don't have a green one. So we're going to do a green payday. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing good. Everything going okay in my neck of the woods so far. Oh, all right. So now we got that down, and now let's put down some appointment. No, let's do over here. I've got these trackers over here. So I think I'm going to use a couple of these. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for. I think I've mentioned to you guys, I'm not a big, this is really just an overview for me. I don't really do much with my monthly pages, but I will put this in because maybe I'll do gratitude in this. With the blue or the green? I think I'll go with the blue. Nope. There. Kind of covers up June, but that looks okay, and I'll put something up there, a header or something up here. All right, so then, yeah, this is going to be fairly quick. So I've got some appointments I'm going to mark in. The first one is a dentist appointment. So we have a dentist appointment at 9 a.m. And that's my son-in-law's appointment. So we're going to put that down on the 4th. Then the next appointment is my daughter has a doctor's appointment on June 10th. And I think this is a neurological appointment. At 1 p.m. and that's for my daughter Carrie. So we'll get that one down, and that is on the 10th. Are you guys in frame? Yep, you guys good? There we go. Make sure you're in frame. You wouldn't want to get you all messed up there where you can't see anything that I am doing, because it's the most riveting thing on the face of this planet what I'm doing. All right, so I got her appointment. Then, oh yes, June 16th is our cruise, is when our booking opens for our cruise reservations for our excursions and our couples massage. And I will be on there at 12:01 a.m. booking this stuff to get this down, because on a Disney cruise, those things go quick. So I will definitely be up that night getting our cruise reservations set. Can you guys see that? There you go. All right, so we got that one. And then finally, the last one is another dentist appointment. And this one is for my son. Dentist and his is 11 a.m. and that's for Doc. And his appointment is on the 24th. So we will mark him down there. Okay, so that's all the appointments so far for the month of June. And I do have a bill due. We have our mortgage due, and that's for $10.67. And that's always due on the 1st, so I will put that one down. It's a very important bill there. Put that down. And I have our insurance premium due, so I will put, oops, okay, Let me see. Yep, you're good. All right. So I have insurance due, Blue Cross Blue Shields. I think it's 31, I'm going to say 97. And that's also due on the 1st, so we'll put that one down. There. And I have a few other bills due, but I'm not sure the exact bill date, so I'm not going to put any more in right now. I'm going to lay these cute little birthday stickers down, even though I've got birthday stickers down, but why not? So we're going to put those down. And put one for my son, my son-in-law. And I think that looks good so far. We got all that in. Let's see, I always feel like I'm missing something. Maybe I'm not. She's got these strips of washi in, but I'm not sure what to do with these. Do I put them in somewhere? Do I run them along the middles? Oh, they're like little tiny strips of washi. Wonder what you do with these. Do you just mark days off, or when you're like going somewhere? I don't know. That's a mystery to me. I'm not sure. If you guys know what these strips are generally used for, can you leave me a comment below and tell me, because I don't have a clue. I am clueless as to what this is supposed to be for. Alright, so we got the one last deco box. I don't know what to do with that yet. We got those in. Alright guys, I think, believe it or not, I think that's it for us. We're pretty much set on what I'm doing. This is really bothering me. I'm going to have to do something. I just can't take that. Maybe. No, that didn't turn out so good there. So let's put it there. Okay. Nope, that's crooked. All right. All right, it's just going to have to stay there like that. All right, so until I find what else is going on, guys, I think this is it. So that's the quickest plan with me I think I've done. Have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment section below. And if you like my video, please think about sharing it with others. And also, if you like my content, please think about subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell. When I upload, you'll be notified of my new content. And with that, guys, I'm off. Bye.